Hello, YouTubers. Hey, listen, Dr. Owen here. Wanted to say thank you for following, subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. Click subscribe, click follow, click like, comment in the description. I'd like to know where you're from. Tell me where you're from. Say, hey, I'm from, Zimbabwe or wherever you're from. Just comment in the description. Hey, listen, the reason I wanted to jump on here today was just to give everybody a chance to kind of get an update about how things are going in the information systems world. There's a lot of layoffs. I mean, if you haven't noticed, you've simply been dead or asleep because they are just happening by the thousands. And worse than that, there are people that are really highly qualified and highly skilled people with extensive careers and resumes, putting in I've heard up to 100 applications and resumes and not even getting a call back. I'm not surprised. Because this is a huge shift. And my personal opinion is AI is having some impact on that, and it's eliminating some jobs, but at the same time, it's an economic thing. So regardless, one of the things that I've found to do with information systems world is to go independent. And I went online. I launched my own business. I market, funnels, and I build funnels, which is a certain type of website that people can use to drive traffic into their existing email lists and then do marketing on the back end. The benefit to this type of a website is that it helps any business. You could apply this to literally just about any business. So if you're seriously considering the information systems world and maybe even going independent, the cool part is there's a lot to learn. There's a lot of training, but you can get started if you're just looking to something to get kind of, hey, let me dig into this a little deeper. I've done some training. I paid like $7 for this 2-week challenge course. I'll put a link in the description to it, but anybody can do it, and it was actually really good, and it taught me a lot of the fundamentals about affiliate marketing and how that works, and how ClickFunnels work and things like that. So I've been spending a lot of time training with the ClickFunnels team. They're all over the world, and they're also some of the best in the world at this. So I'm even going to work on probably maybe doing some certifications for ClickFunnel building, but I don't think you have to do that to get into the business. So anyway, I just wanted to take a moment. I kind of kicking back and relaxing a little bit today, getting ready to do some studying and some reading because I'm advancing my skills to get my sailing captain certification, but in the meantime, I want to work from that boat, so I have to be able to do everything remotely. So to bypass the whole war with, hey boss, I want to work remote, and they freak out and don't want you to do it. I just started working myself and launched my own company. So you'll find it online. There's drjasonowen.com. In fact, if you're interested in that challenge, it's drjasonowen.com/challenge. And you jump on there, enter your email, and I'll get you my free ebook. But then on top of that, you'll get access to learn a little bit about the $7 challenge. It's really fantastic. I have some friends that have been in the game that one of them actually, to be honest with you, she was a physical therapist for years, left it, and in 2 years now, she's averaging over $100,000 to $200,000 a year in that range, and she's just killing it. So she's doing a great job. I have another buddy who's in the doing affiliate marketing now, building his company to help parents of special needs people and help them cope and deal with their mental needs. So depending on whatever your niche is, whatever your interest is, whatever your passion is, you can do that with information systems and affiliate marketing. And to be honest with you, the tech part of it's fairly simple, but it's a great way to get started. In my personal opinion, anybody who's looking to go to college and wants to get their degrees, this is a fabulous thing to do on the side because you can build up a decent income. I make some commissions of upward of $1,000 per commission, and yeah, it takes a little work, but I mean, if you're good at social media and you don't, if you understand what a TikTok is and you understand what Instagram is and you understand what Facebook is, well, then the rest gets pretty easy. You just got to learn how to figure out those algorithms and realize that each one are different. So, hey, listen, again, quick video. Just wanted to jump on here and say, hey guys, I hope you're doing well in all this mess that's going on out here in the world. And just, if you're interested, again, drjasonowen.com/challenge, hey, click subscribe, click like, and hey, go in the comments. Tell me where you're from. Hope to hear from you. Bye.